Now sometimes one of the secrets to helicopters, refrigerant's heavy and it goes down low and it goes below the deck and it'll form underneath. So you actually want to take a measurement from down here, the lowest spot, and get down to underneath in the lowest panels for in the belly of the down underneath. And because lines go underneath, up over, but refrigerant is usually heavy sometimes. Down low, we're in cloud hunting mode and I have time and I'm just looking for, just get close, any beeps at all. And there's dye in this system, so we'll look at it when I'll hit it with the dye, the leak detector 2. Since COVID, this has been down and out, almost less than 100 hours operation. The other one has 0 hours on it since the shutdown. Okay. Usually there's a placard right here for my AC. They must have done some. This looks cleaner, newer. I wonder if they did some painting or panel repairing, because this doesn't look like I remember. That has been redone. Something happened here because there's supposed to be a panel here, and epoxy coating gel coat over the fiberglass looks different. So something, and we could see my name on the caps, LECH. And all this, you see the paint marks on it. All these lines, the O-rings have all been changed. Everything is torqued, and got the paint on it. Because I remember we went over this whole helicopter came apart and we had to do a redo because the manufacturer did not put it and torque the connectors correctly. This particular helicopter had to be done a couple times. Even the manufacturers flew out one of their lead techs. He came out and did everything, and it leaked again even after the manufacturer redid their AC. So that's when me and Gordon went over it. I found everything, and then Gordon did all the work and just did everything, and that took care of it. Now it's a couple years later. This one is a little warmer than the other one. The other one's no problem, but this is the one that I'm gonna have to measure the refrigerant coming out, and after I measure the refrigerant coming out, to determine why it doesn't cool as well as the other one.